What's good, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's been a minute since I've recorded a sneaker video, so I kind of wanted to do this a little bit differently. I wanted to get you guys out a little bit, not be in my normal setup. So we got the GTR today, and I'm about to go fill this up, and we're about to go get a package from UPS. Let's go. This car always makes me feel alive. All right, y'all, it's a couple days after I recorded that last clip right there, and that's because I wasn't able to retrieve my packages that day, so my bad on that. But luckily for you guys, I do have a couple more packages that I wasn't even expecting. So let's get right into it. We're gonna break it down. We're probably gonna do the sneakers first, and then we're gonna do some hat unboxings. So let's get into this one right here from the homie Rocket Bunny Ron. I've been selling a lot of shoes recently, and I've been trying my best to not add more shoes to the collection. But for some reason, when I saw these, I was like, bro, these are so crispy and these look so good. I just had to have them. So let's take a look at these. I'm excited because this is my first time ever having this model. So I am excited to see these in person. Let's check these things out. These are, y'all ready? Boom, a New Balance pair. I know, New Balance. These are the 1906Rs, and this is a size 10. So let's take a look at the colorway that I picked up. Ooh, man, ooh, let's go. For some reason, the New Balances have just been catching my eye recently. I have a couple of the 2002Rs, and this is the newer model that caught my eye, the 1906s. I love how they did this deconstructed kind of patchwork look all over the top of the shoe, the different tones. I think that this is a very good looking shoe, especially with that cream midsole and the cream laces. So the initial picture that got me into these was this one right here. I just saw it on Instagram, and I was like, dude, I think that this is a fire looking shoe. The way that that person was wearing it, the angle, it just made this shoe look extremely nice. And honestly, I can't complain. When it comes to New Balances, the quality is always A1 steak sauce. They do not mess around. Shoot, I almost want to put these on right now to give you guys my opinion on how they fit in case y'all are interested in these. So if I'm able to find them online, I'll have a link down below in the description if you guys would like to purchase a pair. But I ended up getting this pair for, I think it was 160 bucks, which isn't bad at all. I believe that's retail. So we're gonna throw these babies on. Okay, so if you're interested in these, I would say go true to size. I will say the 2002Rs feel a little bit more comfortable, but for some reason, I like the design of these more. And I'm not saying that these are uncomfortable, but if you're going for looks, I think these are it. I think these look better than the 2002Rs. Shouts to the homie Rocket Bunny Ron for selling me these for an amazing price. Next up, we had a gift from the homies over at Puma. As you guys can tell by the box, we have the brand new pair of Mellows. Alex, excited to share the newest colorway in the LaMelos signature shoe lineup. Hope you enjoy Puma hoops. And I'm not even a basketball person, but these are nice. The colorway is amazing. I love how bright and bold this color looks. And if I did play ball, this would definitely be hitting the courts. The way that the gold hits on the inside panel as well as the heel is a very good look. For some reason, gold always goes well with that Tiffany or like that seafoam blue look. I think this is a really good looking shoe, and on court, it probably looks even better. So huge shout out to my Puma family for sending these over. I would imagine that these are already sold out, but if they're not, I will have the link down below in the description. Huge shout out to Puma, I really appreciate it. Getting into my next gifts that I got, we have a couple pickups from Daniel Liu. He has an amazing hat page, so if you guys want to show him some love, make sure you go ahead and shoot him a follow at Daniel Liu on Instagram. That will also be linked down below. We have the Oakland hat in this nice kind of Tiffany corduroy. And whenever he does hats, he always makes sure that he has the best quality, extra spicy details. So make sure you're following him if you guys like his hats. I do plan on doing another collab with him very soon. So he sent over this one, and he also sent over this beautiful SF full corduroy. Nice hits of orange right there. Bay Area patch on the side. And this is my favorite part right here, the underbrim, beautiful paisley print. He also sent over a couple of the visors that he made. These are also sick. If y'all are Asian, you already know this print right here and the visors are a classic look for the Asian community, and he just added his own spice to it, and I think he did it very, very nice. So huge shout out to Daniel Liu, I really appreciate it. I have all of his information linked down below. Now let's get to the next package. So the next package is from the homies over at Hat Club. I don't know what they sent me, but let's go ahead and find out together. Let's do it, baby. Let's look at what's inside this box right here. Let's check this one out. Let's check this one out. What is that? Hat Club Supermart. Hat Club Supermart? They always go crazy with the packages. This box is sick. Quick little receipt action right here. Oh, and they have my name on here? Bro, that is fire. Oh my goodness. All right, let's check it out. Box has some sort of print with the receipt. Oh, we got shorts? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. We got the Niners right here. The cream with the purple. Oh my goodness. Shout out to Hat Club, and most importantly, shout out to everybody that watches these videos for making this possible. This is amazing. I remember saving up lunch money to buy fitted hats when I was in middle school. And at the time they were around 30 bucks, maybe some were 35, but that took a long time to save up. So it's really amazing to see that Hat Club is just sending me hats now. So thank you guys. Spring is right around the corner, so these are perfect. Hat Club font on the front. Nice, thick, heavy mesh shorts with pocket action, of course. And let's see what the t-shirt is. Let's see what this is. Ooh, this is sick. Supermart Hat Club logo on the back. Clean and simple Hat Club on the front. So that's going to be it for my latest pickup slash gift slash haul, or whatever you want to call it. Let me know what your favorite pickup was in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.